friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today's topic is division. In this video I am going to tell you how to divide polynomials by a polynomials. First of all, I am going to tell some basic rules on division. As you know, in division we have four parts: divider, dividend, quotient and remainder. Here these are the four parts. This is divider, this is dividend, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. I mean, our division result is known as quotient, and the number which is to be divided is known as dividend, and which is helped the division by which number is known as divider, and the remaining number is known as remainder. We know some rules for division, that dividend is equal to quotient into divider plus remainder. Quotient, divider plus remainder. Basic rule of division is dividend is equal to quotient into divider plus remainder. You know it very well. And another thing is, main important thing is, always dividend is greater than divider. Dividend is greater than divider. That's why we divide a big number by a small number. Dividend is greater number and divider is small number, and remainder is also smaller than divider. Here remainder is also smaller than divider in division cases. For our better knowledge, let's take a numerical example for division. Let's an example 144 is to be divided by 3. Then what will be its result? 144 is to be divided by 3. We can simply divide it 144 3. 3 4s are 12, remainder 2, then down 4. 3 8s are 24. Remainder will be 0. It means answer is 48. Quotient is 48. It means 144 is completely divisible by 3, and quotient is 48 and remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then the number is completely divisible by the divider. I mean 144 is completely divisible by 3. Okay. It is division from, otherwise we can factorize it. First factorize 144. 144. 2, 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Our question is 144 divided by 3. Then first factorize it. 144. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then divided by 3. This is numerator and this is denominator. First factorize the numerator and factorize the denominator. Here denominator is 3 and 3 is a prime number. So when you factorize it, it will be 3 into 1. 1 is not important to write here because 1 is a inverse multiplication identity. Sorry, not inverse multiplication identity. When you multiply or divide any number with 1 or by 1 divided by 1, then the number will be the same number. No changes on it at the time of multiplication and division. Okay. So now we factorize it. 144 to this and 3 is 3. Then cancel the 3 and 3. denominator 3 and numerator 3 cancelled. The result will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48. Then the answer of division of 144 by 3 is known as 48. Answer is 48. Okay, it is simply numerical division. You know it very well, how to divide it in your last standard, I mean 6th standard, 4th standard. You know it very well, and this is the time to learn how to divide polynomials or monomials, because I am going to tell you division about polynomials. Let's take another example of variables. X to the power 7 is divided by x to the power 3. X to the power 3. Then I told you in my last example, first factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator. Then x into x into x into x into x into x into x. 7 times x, that's why x to the power 7. Divided by x to the power 3, I mean x will be multiplied for 3 times. Then cancel it. How many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means x to the power 4. So, as per in my last video, I told you about the multiplication rule of polynomials. When the bases are same, when the variables are same, I mean x here, variable is x same. When the time of multiplication, just add the powers, and here this is the time for division. Then you can subtract the numbers for your division result. I mean x to the power 7 divided by x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 7 minus 3 is equal to x to the power 4. Just subtract the power. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then the formula is when a to the power a is to divided by a to the power n, bases are same, I mean variables are same. Here variable is a and power is m, and the denominator power is n. Then write the variables a and subtract the power m minus n. It is your answer. It is your division answer, a to the power m minus n. Maybe m is greater than n, otherwise n will be greater than m, no problem. If m is greater than n, then the result will be with positive power. If n is greater than m, the result will be with negative power. I also going to show some problems regarding negative power and positive power. So let's see. Take another example. This is m to the power 10 is to divided by m to the power 15. Then as per our formula, we know variables are same here. So first write m and then subtract the power of numerator and denominator, I mean 10 minus 15. Always remember, number is greater or smaller, it doesn't matter for division. Always remember and carefully subtract the power denominator from the numerator. I mean here the numerator power is 10 and denominator power is 15. But 15 is greater than 10. But don't subtract 10 from 15. You have to subtract 15 from 10, because denominator power, then numerator power is always first, denominator power is always second. First subtract denominator from the numerator. Here m is 10 to the power minus 15. Then the answer will be m to the power minus 5, because as per sign rules, you know 15 is greater than 10, and then put the sign mark of the 15. This is minus, and here result will be 15 minus 10 is 5. The result is m to the power minus 5. Yes, I know you have a question in your mind that what is minus 5. M to the power 5 means we can multiply m for 5 times. m into m into m into m into m. A multiplied for 5 times, that's why m to the power 5. and m to the power minus 5 means 1 by m into 1 by m into 1 by m into 1 by m into 1 by m. M to the power minus 5 means the multiplication of same m's reciprocal. I mean m's reciprocal is 1 by m, and when we multiply m's reciprocal for 5 times, then the power will be written as negative numbers. Here m's reciprocal multiplied for 5 times, that's why m's power is minus 5. It means m to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 by m to the power 5. 1 by m to the power 5 means 1 by m whole 5. You know 1 by m whole 5. Clear? M to the power 5 means multiplication of m for 5 times. M to the power minus 5 means multiplication of m's reciprocal for 5 times. Positive means the same number, multiplication of the same number, and negative means the multiplication of the reciprocal of the same number. Okay, these are the basic rules of division. In next class I am going to tell you the division of polynomials. Here I am tell you about monomials. I mean just consist of single variables and simply power. But next time I am going to tell you division of some variables, I mean more than one variables, and polynomials. Polynomials more than one monomials consisting of negative and positive sign between them. I mean they are containing terms. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share on my video, comment on my video, and the main important thing is, yes, you have to touch the bell icon for your latest update. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Thank you.